Hello, my name is Michael Greaney and welcome to another Lightbulb Moment. Today we're going to be talking about what is surge protection and why would you need surge protection in your house. So for us, we live in Queensland and electrical storms are quite a common occurrence, and my personal opinion, I believe every house should have surge protection installed. It's such a simple process, inexpensive thing to do just to protect your whole house from the many lightning storms that we do have here. So surge protection basically takes the power surge and sends it to Earth. So all of our electrical systems here in Australia are earthed. We have a safety mechanism of an earthing system, and generally electricity is looking for the fastest path to Earth, and so something like a lightning strike is going to find the fastest path to Earth. So it might strike your roof, or it might strike your TV antenna as an example. And if those systems are earthed properly and you have a surge protection device, it's going to send it straight down to Earth rather than through your home and through your electrical system. So a power surge is a little bit different from a lightning strike. A power surge may be where there's a fault on the electrical system, on the Energex side or the ergon side, where large amounts of voltage will come down the line and into your home. That can be from a transformer blowing, maybe a car's hit a power pole, or something along those lines that's caused an issue there. I have encountered a home where the overhead cables were rubbing over a long period of time and eventually shorted across the two phases, which ended up with 400 volts going through the whole house and blew pretty much every appliance through the whole home. So they had to replace air conditioning units, ovens, appliances, TVs. They had a very good Wi-Fi set up with access points throughout the house. All of those access points blew up, so all of it had to be replaced, and it was quite an ordeal for the customer, dealing with insurance and trying to get everything replaced like for like, and a really big ordeal for them that went over quite a few months, whereas just a simple surge protection device installed in their switchboard would have saved all of that hassle. So surge protection comes in a few different forms, and you can buy surge protection multi-boards from Big W or wherever, and you can plug those in to protect some sensitive appliances like your TVs, computers, and that kind of thing. There's also an option to install surge protection in your whole home, and so that's something that gets installed on your switchboard or in your meter box, and that will not just protect one circuit or one appliance, it'll protect your whole home if there happens to be a power surge within your area, and whilst other houses next door might lose appliances and have dishwashers fail and all sorts of things, your home will be protected and you'll be able to carry on with all of your appliances still intact. So surge protection being installed by a licensed electrician is actually a very simple job. It should only take around an hour for an electrician to do. The equipment is not that expensive either. So it's a very simple process. The only gotchas with that may be if there's not enough room in your existing meter box or switchboard to fit a surge protection device. That's often rare. Most meter boxes and switchboards have enough space in there to add one in quite simply. So a surge protection device in your switchboard or meter box literally just looks like a little circuit breaker. It's about this width, and it just has a little window in it that when it's in good condition, it's green, and if it's been activated, that'll switch to red, which means it needs to be replaced or repaired, and but that means it saved your house. So if you do have a surge protection device in your meter box, have a quick look, check that it's still green, because if it's red, it does need to be replaced. Surge protection devices can fit on any meter box, any switchboard. They can go anywhere. It is a one-size-fits-all sort of situation. If you have single phase, two phase, or three phase home, that will just depend on the size. Single phase will just be this width, and two phase will be twice as wide, and three phase will be 3 times as wide. So that's all you really need to consider when thinking about installing surge protection on your home. So if you want to have surge protection installed at your home, please feel free to reach out. We'll happily give you an easy free quote and help keep your home safe over this coming electrical storm season.